Hello and welcome back to another video on the Detailed and Sexy YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. So we got this sent to us just before Christmas on the back of an Instagram conversation with a follower. So we're going to put it through its paces today. We are great fans of the Ultrabright Foam Lance, and that's what we use on our vans currently. We like them, although we do change the bottles into the thinner ones so we can slot them into our slots. This, on first impressions, looks very well built. The thing I do like is you can change from quick release to another fitting just by taking that bit off. That's pretty good. It also comes with a number of filters, so when they get clogged up you can change them while you clean the other ones. So that's handy, because normally you either get none or one. I think there's about 3 or 4 in the box. So I'll screw that back together. Like I say, initial impressions are it's very well built. Nice wide bottle. It does have dilution on the side in terms of your measuring, so you can easily work out how much product in there. It is quite open, not as open as some of the others like the Polar Blast Foam Lance from Ultiglim. That's a bit wider than this one. It has a weighted end on there, which is quite useful if when you're moving the Snowfoam Lance around. I know of a few others that do that, but that's always handy. It feels quite solid. When I've looked on the website for price, this is coming out at $61 shipped, so around £45. So it's around the mark of the Ultrabright Foam Lance that we use on the vans, and also the Ultiglim Polar Blaster, which you can possibly get a bit cheaper than that as well. So it is on the expensive side of the normal range of Snowfoam cannons. So the ones that I've seen on the market, you've got the Amazon one, which is around £16, and you also get the MTM ones that are £85 plus. So that kinds to be the spectrum, from like £16 up to £85, so this kind of sits in the middle. One thing that I can't find is a UK supplier, so you will, that's probably a downside, as you're probably going to wait a few weeks for this to arrive. So if you are wanting a Snowfoam Lance and you don't have to wait, you want it for next weekend, this probably isn't the Snowfoam Lance for you, just based on that. But yeah, let's head out. I'll put some footage up of what the vehicle looks like now, and then we'll go and put this through its paces. So you've seen the Snowfoam gun in action. As you can see, it just works like any other Snowfoam gun. The Snowfoam that we're using was MJJC Bubbly Jubbly Snowfoam. I'll put the link below for that. My thoughts on the Foam Cannon Pro then. It's first thoughts when you get it. It arrives in a very nice box. It's got loads of accessories that you don't normally get with other foam lancers. It feels very, very well built. Feels sturdy when it's on the floor. It's not going to fall over, which is always a benefit with the wider bottom lancers. Produces a good foam. Yeah, the only negative I can find with this particular foam cannon is I can't find a UK seller. So although it's at a reasonable price when you get it shipped over, £44 or so, it's that waiting for it. There are other options available within that price range that will do exactly the same as this foam lance that you can have next day, or within a couple of days. So that would be my main negative about the product, is the availability of it. Apart from that, a very, very good foam cannon. I will put the link to it below, and I'll keep putting it through its paces when we are back out valeting. When we're not at the moment, but and I'll keep you updated in the comments below. I hope you've enjoyed this particular video, a short but sweet one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, as we're filming lots more videos, and there's plenty more to come this year. Stay safe guys, see you soon.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!